Ensure the environment and DIY machine are in a safe condition before replacing any parts. Replace motor. Take out the locking screw. Remove out the 4 screws. Remove cover of gear motor. Remove the 4 screws around the motor sprocket. At least 2 people holding the motor are required in case the motor falling. Take out the chain and remove the motor. Install new motor. Insert the chain. Insert the 4 screws around the motor sprocket. Lock the screw by using wrench. Tight the screws. Put back the cover. Lock 4 screws.